Today we're talking about something that every driver eventually has to face, going through a construction zone. They can be stressful and confusing and sometimes even dangerous if you're not paying attention. So let's look at some of the best tips to help keep you and those around you safe when going through a work zone. The more warning you have that a construction zone is coming up, the better prepared you'll be for it. Always be on the lookout for indications and warning signs that let you know you're getting close to a construction area up ahead. Look for safety barrels, drums, barricades, and cones placed at the side of the road. Look for actual warning signs that specifically tell you how far ahead construction starts or which traffic lane will be going away. Pay attention to these and any other signs counting down how far you have left before you enter the construction area. The main thing here is to not wait until the last minute before getting over into the correct lane to go through the work area. If you stay in the lane that's closing down too long, you could cause an accident trying to cut into traffic already in the correct lane. No later than a mile away, you should be in the correct lane to go through the construction zone. And once you're in that lane, be alert for drivers trying to get into the lane at the last minute. If you're in the correct lane and others try to merge in front of you into your lane, let them. Don't take the chance of another driver sideswiping you just to get in your lane. As soon as you see signs posted showing a slower mandatory speed limit, slow down. Construction zones almost always have reduced speed limits, and for good reason. Workers are often close to the road. Lanes can be more narrow, and equipment may be moving in and out. Plus, fines for speeding are often doubled in these areas. So slowing down protects your money, your vehicle, and your life. Be on high alert as you enter the construction zone. Construction zones are full of signs and cones that tell you exactly what to do. Whether it's merging lanes, narrow lanes, detours, or no shoulders to get off on, pay attention to the instructions. If there are vehicles ahead of you, watch their movements to better prepare yourself for a sudden change in the lane's path. Or if they're having to slow down or stop for some reason, you know you're going to also probably have to slow down or stop. Work zones can create the need for sudden stops, so don't tailgate the vehicle in front of you, and leave extra space between your car and the one ahead. Tailgating is already dangerous, but in a work zone it can be deadly. This is not the time to be on your phone, eating or fumbling with the radio. 1 second of distraction could mean a serious accident. Keep both hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. The most dangerous things I've seen and read about happening in construction zones are rear-end collisions. There's an area near where I live that has had several accidents, injuries, and some fatalities simply because a driver plowed into a line of stopped cars in front of them in a construction zone. They failed to notice the stopped vehicles and never reduced speed or tried to stop. So if you're in a line of traffic in a work zone and you see a stoppage or extreme slowdown coming up ahead, immediately put on your emergency flashers, your hazard warning lights, as a way to alert drivers behind you that they need to slow down or get ready to stop. If you have to come to a complete stop, and especially if you're currently the last car in line, it's all the more important that you turn on your hazard warning lights. And when you stop, don't stop close to the car in front of you. You want to leave yourself room to go to the right or left if necessary, to avoid being rear-ended. You need room to maneuver. Once stopped, keep an eye on your rearview mirror and make sure that vehicles coming up behind you are slowing down. If you see another driver apparently completely oblivious to the fact that you're stopped and they continue barreling down on you, get off the road if possible to the right or left, even if it means knocking down a barricade. It's better to do that than getting hit at high speed from behind and getting rammed into the vehicle in front of you. Rear-end collisions are the main cause of accidents and fatalities in construction zones. And these tips for this situation are the most important ones I can give you on construction zone safety. Construction zones can be frustrating, but remember the delays are temporary. The improvements being made are for everyone's safety and convenience in the long run. So take a deep breath and be patient. And there you have it. Slow down, follow the signs, give space, stay alert, avoid distractions, and be patient. Driving safely in a construction zone isn't just about following the law. It's about protecting lives. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more safe driving tips. So thanks for watching, have a great day, and drive safe. And I hope this video was constructive. Bye.